to make my vision board. Banana shake. Basically, now I'm going to do the journaling. This is the favorite part of this whole vlog. What are the things that I'm grateful for? What are the failures? What are the lessons and the takeaways of these? And I'm very excited to do this. So let's do this together. Before planning 2026, let's talk about me. In 2025, I had very depressing self-doubt days where I felt so messed up. Yet within those moments, I learned few lessons I didn't know I actually needed. At the same time, 2025 gave me really beautiful days. Some of them are straight out of my vision board and some of them are yet to be fulfilled. They are waiting for their turn and that's okay. Cause growth does not mean completing everything on time. It's about continuing despite it all. Have your warm water and watch this vlog because in this vlog I'm going to show you how to plan your new year. Hey, hello everyone, my name is Janak Nandini and I'm a second year BCom honors student, and finally my exams are over and now I'm gonna plan for 2026. I'm actually making a reset vlog where I'm gonna plan, I'm gonna make a vision board, I'm gonna eat healthy. Right now I'm just going to make my to-do list. Making a to-do list every day in the morning helps me to organize my whole day. Also, I'm adding a habit of 20 minutes stretching every day in the morning. It helps me to get out of my daily slump era and be productive. Honestly, since last 1 month, I had my exams and I cannot be able to give time to my productive routine. So today, I also think about to make my breakfast kind of healthy. I added some chana, sprouts, veggies and made this healthy bowl with banana shake. So I actually want to eat so much healthy food, but I didn't have any time to make it. So I just made myself a banana shake and something kind of chana. I think मेरा पेट तो बस एक ग्लास से ही भर जाएगा, but फिर भी I thought of eating something with it. This is not a good combo according to me, but it's okay. I'm just trying to be healthy. Hello everybody, now it's time to take bath. Let's do the transition. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am back from bath. Now it's the time to do skincare. I'm actually having a dark circles and I want to get rid of it. If you guys have any suggestion about my dark circles, please drop it down in the comment box. I will love to know your response. The thing that I'm gonna apply is a moisturizer. I'm gonna apply this lip balm. This tinted lip balm.
2 hours later.
Okay, hello everyone, my name is Janak Nandini and welcome to the same day. Basically, now I'm going to do the journaling. This is the favorite part of this whole vlog. I love doing journaling, and in this video I'm going to journal the whole year. What are the things that I'm grateful for? What are the failures? What are the lessons and the takeaways of the year? And I'm very excited to do this. So let's do this together. Use this diary called Be Creative and Have Fun. Okay, so yesterday I got not one, not two, not three, but four diaries from Meesho. All these are with white plain pages, and I got this in just rupees 130. I will also provide the link in the description. Go check it. Let's journal my whole year in these diaries. Okay, stationery required is a diary of your mood. This is the like plain diary, and so after this I'm also going to make my vision board for 2026 and one blue gel pen, whatever you, and also sketch pens. I will also provide some journal prompts of the year. Hair. Giving a gratitude is very important. So first of all, I wrote everything that I'm grateful for in 2025. It's actually a lot, from my personal life to my work life, but there are so many things that not went according to me, so it gave me so many lessons and key takeaways that I also wrote in order to organize my 2026. Last but not the least, but I also journaled some habits for 2026 that I want to adopt in order to be disciplined and consistent. Okay, so I am done with journaling. I will paste everything that I journaled today, and now it's the time to make my vision board. I'm very excited to make my vision board right now, and I'm also going to make a vision board video on my short form video, so go check it out. everyone, I'm done with journaling. I'm done with making a vision board, for which I'm very very grateful. Like मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना अच्छा टर्न आउट हो पाएगा, but it's मैंने एक एवोकाडो की फोटो लगाई है यहाँ पे बीच में. Like I put this avocado picture here. Everyone say hi to Vedika. We are wearing same kapde. Okay, this is the uniform of our home.
Is the uniform of our home.
In this log, I journaled everything that I want to journal in order to restart a new year, and I also make a vision board which aligns my goal with my emotions. And that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, with this, let's say goodbye to 2025 and let's welcome 2026. Happy New Year to everyone.